Choose quantities and units that answer the modeling question.
Welcome back to the tortoise's survey. A useful mathematical model starts long before the equation in choosing exactly what to measure. The tortoise decides which lengths, which rates, and which counts actually matter to the question and names each one with its unit. Picking the wrong quantities or leaving them vague can lead to a formula that looks polished while describing almost nothing real. Strong models begin with strong quantity choices. If the variables are undefined, the math can't describe the situation well. For a bike rental charging a flat fee plus an hourly rate, we must decide what to track for the cost after 5 hours. Since we need cost based on hours, the model tracks rental time and total cost, ignoring details like bike color. Effective models are built by isolating the variables that actually describe the relationship being studied. In this scenario, a water tank is filling at a steady rate. To model this, we must define the input and the output. Time drives the change, so we define time as the input. Since water height depends on time passed, height becomes the output. Defining quantities includes deciding exactly which variable depends on the other. A bakery wants to model how cupcake cost changes based on the number purchased. Is frosting color an appropriate quantity here? Color matters to customers, but it doesn't describe the numerical relationship between count and cost. It doesn't belong. A realistic detail is not automatically a mathematically useful quantity. When the question asks for a specific result, like total cost, that identifies the output quantity. Focusing on that goal allows you to list what matters, define the units, and ignore the rest. This process prepares you for creating equations, fitting functions, and interpreting parameters in a meaningful way. A model only has power when built on essential realities. In your next problem, ask, what quantities matter here?
Check that every quantity, unit, and relationship answers the original question.